Hello my friends, welcome to Welford, and today we will see house from Sky Builders which will cost around $400,000. This house is not on the market yet because all of the community is almost done, and just when all of the lots will be built, this house will be on the market. But the agent from the builder told us that it will be like over 400,000 because we have some upgrades then, so we just can see the quality of the builder. The name of the plan is Kennedy plan. The square footage is 2,600 square feet. It will have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with bonus room upstairs. So we'll see, is it good builder or not? Do you like the house or not? So just tell me please your opinion. It will be very helpful for me because I just start my real estate career and I really need your help, your opinion on this new way for me. So let's go. Okay, welcome to the home. You see it's a really good big porch. You can put any stuff of here or flowers or something. So come in please. Come in.
Thank you,
Okay.
Tatiana.
So when you just come to the house, you see this closet, for coats or something, umbrellas. And first bedroom here. You see, bedroom here with closet. Now it's office for our agent. Okay. Wow, it's huge living room. You see, Karina? Do you like it? It's really
absolutely love.
Huge living room with fireplace. You see, this type of fireplace is upgrade. You can order the house from this builder with fireplace or without. It depends what you prefer.
Is it real fireplace?
No, it's not a real fireplace. It works from gas, So it will not use a lot of gas. It will not cost a lot to use a fireplace, but it's gas fireplace. It's not real wood. It's just decoration. Let's see the first bathroom. Oh wow! You see, this is full bathroom, much bigger than dear Horton has, right? I think it's good. Okay, Karina.
It's a big one.
Pretty much big, yeah. Okay. Bathtub. Okay. It's not main bathroom, but still. And you see, bathroom has closet for linen, for towels, you see. So this is our first bathroom for first bedroom, and let's go. Also second bedroom. Huge bedroom. It's not a master bedroom, but still huge. Closet, standard size. Do you like this bedroom?
I would like to leave it.
Really?
Live here.
First bedroom or this one?
Maybe this one.
This one?
Yeah, it's smaller, but I think cozy.
More convenient and more separated from other rooms of the home. This is the second bedroom. Oh, you see, this bedroom bigger than previous two ones. You see, it's not master bedroom, guys.
It has bigger window.
Bigger window with good view. You see? Do you like it?
Is it a forest here?
Like, no, like not forest, it's like part of forest, just backyard. Okay, you see, huge closet with person with a lot of dresses, clothes, and it's not master bedroom. I already ready to find the master bedroom of this house. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Okay, the living room. I allow the size of the living room, but I don't like the furniture here. Okay.
Hey.
Granite. Light granite. Karina, what color of granite you prefer?
Which will more suit for the room?
I think for this home, the black one will be better because everything is white. But it's still good, you know, pretty much light. And the window between the living room and kitchen, it's upgrade, you know. Some of the home of this builder don't have this window, you know. So it depends, but now it's upgrade and you will pay extra if you like it. The white kitchen, you see it's a huge island for cooking. Huge island. Okay. And the so this house have gas, but it's electric kitchen. Interesting. So if you like gas, you can just exchange, you know, and put gas here on kitchen too. Pretty much expensive house, but the cabinets without amortization. Okay, you see white here and gray here.
I don't like it, really. I think it should be in one color.
I think so too. I think it have to be white too. So, but you guys can buy lots on this neighborhood on others because Sky Builders has a lot of different lots, and after this you can choose your favorite plan. Show it, Karina. So this plan is Kennedy, but they have a lot of different ones, bigger or smaller. So this plan have 4 bedrooms, technically 5 because we have bonus room upstairs and 2 bathrooms. For me, I think it's not convenient because just 2 bathrooms for 5 bedrooms, but some people really like it, really for some people it's really perfect for them, so it depends. Okay, this is dining area. I love this dining area. This dining area have access to the deck. Let's see, Karina.
Is your chance to see the deers and raccoons here?
Oh yeah, it's really wild place with a lot of different coyotes, raccoons, deers, eagles, hawks, chickens.
Chickens?
Oh yeah, I think I saw one in this neighborhood. Okay.
I know one girl.
Yes. So this is deck, huge deck, and the neighbors already separated themselves. You see. So it's only your backyard. so you even don't need to separate your piece and put anything. Okay, come in, please. So this is kitchen and living space. Let's see the pantry of this kitchen. Oh my gosh, it's huge pantry. It's one of the most biggest pantries I ever saw for today. Yeah, a really big pantry. Okay, let's see master bedroom. Master bedroom is over here. Smart home system. It's huge.
Wow.
Huge bedroom with a huge California king size bed, and it still has a lot of space. Okay, huge window. You can even put table and make office on this room. Oh my gosh, Karina, I think
bedroom with window.
for me it will be the perfect and favorite place of the house. You see how huge is this tub? You see? It's huge. Do you like this tub?
Yeah, I do.
Do you like to take tub? Okay.
Of course.
This is master bathroom. This is first closet. You see?
For him?
It depends who of the family has less closets. But I think it's same size, no? Oh, no, this is little smaller. You see? Do you think? I think they're same size.
It's bigger.
Do you think so?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, 2 closets on the bathroom. Okay, this is closet for linen. Same as the first one. Same size. 2 sinks. Huge mirror. Good lights, you know. The silver. Without amortization. And also not only tub, they also have shower. Walk-in shower, you see? Do you like it, Karina? It not moves, just only this one. Good color. And even here they have space to put linen. Well, I think this just only for a towel, but still, yeah? Do you like it? I love this bathroom.
It's a lot of space, I love it.
Oh yeah, especially I love this tub. So, okay, let's go to the second level. I think it's pretty much convenient. If you have small group of people, you can eat with them this table, right? In the dining area. So they have 2 dining areas on this place. Or if you have huge party, you can put table here and
Oh, I love it.
yeah.
It's big family size.
Yes, and eat here. So I think it's pretty much confident. This is laundry. Laundry is between garage and kitchen, you know, and near the bonus room. I don't know if it's convenient or not, because I prefer to have laundry near the bedroom, but still, maybe somebody will be happy to have laundry near garage. So this is place to put a washing and drying machine, small laundry, and upstairs we have the bonus room. Bonus room. I don't like carpet on the stairs, but you can remove it after year of living here. Oh wow, it's huge, you see?
Wow.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
It's really big room.
Yes, and you will see all the people who arrived to your home from this room. You see, it's huge and have separated climate control. You see, so if other people like cold weather and you like warm weather, you can live here to heat yourself or cool yourself down, you know. What is the... Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Mm.
Is it not a closet or
It's
something?
not closet, it's like something to... I don't think it's possible to put something here, but... Carlson place. Carlson who live on
On the roof.
On the roof, yeah. Okay, Carlson room. So, do you like this home, Karina?
Not really, because I think it should be like closet or even better like bedroom.
Oh, yeah.
Bedroom.
Yeah, because if you will live here on the bonus room, you need to go across all over the home to achieve bathroom, you know, to take shower or everything. So it depends. Maybe for somebody it's perfect choice. So guys, I need your opinion. Please help me because I just start my real estate career. Tell me please, do you like this home or not? If you don't like it, please tell me why. And tell me what kind of builders do you want to see now after this video. Push fingers up if you like my video, push finger down if you don't. And if you want to move to South Carolina and need realtor, I'll be really happy to be your realtor. Call me please. My telephone number is 864-580-8644. My name is Tatiana Kolovchenko. I'm from Affinity Group Realty, and see you next week, and bye-bye.